Hello everyone. So we got this algebra question from one of the entrance exam of Indian Defence Services called CDS, Combined Defence Services exam. Okay. So let's see what is given and what do we need to find out. We are given with the equation and we need to find the sum of all real numbers of x. That means all the real number values of x that we will find from this quadratic equation. We need to find the sum of those. So first of all, this is an absolute value function. We can write this in two ways. One is x square minus 12x plus 34 is equals to 2 when the left side, this is when the left side is positive, we can write it like this. This is one way to write it. Yes. What is another way to write it? That is x square minus 12x plus 34 equals to negative 2. This is another way to write this. Why we are writing this as negative 2? This is possible when the left side of this equation is negative. So let's solve the first part. According to the first part, we are having x square minus 12x plus 34, and what we can do, we can bring this 2 on the left hand side. Negative 2 equals to 0. So if we solve this, we will get x square minus 12x plus 32 equals to 0. After doing middle term splitting, we will get x minus 4 and x minus 8 equals to 0. That means x can be either 4 or it can be 8. So these are the two possible values of x from first equation, correct? Now we will use the second equation. The second equation, okay? In second equation, we can write x square minus 12x plus 34, and this negative 2 comes on the left hand side and becomes plus 2. So if we solve this, we will get x square minus 12x plus 36 equals to 0. That means if we do middle term splitting, we will get x minus 6 equals to 0. That means x will be 6. We will not write 6 two times because it is the same value that we are getting twice, right? We will use 6 only once. Now we need to find the sum of all the possible solutions of x. So that will be sum equals to 4, that is 4 is one of the solution, plus 8 and plus 6. This will give us 18. This will give us 18. So 18 is the sum of all real possible values of x. This is our final answer. Is there any option like this? C option is our correct option. I hope you understood it well. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.